Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential feature in Smartsheet that can really streamline your review and approval process, the proof. If you've ever wondered what a proof is or how it works in Smartsheet, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a proof, add feedback, invite others to review your files, and make the most of this powerful collaboration tool. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with how to find and open a proof in Smartsheet. You'll want to move over to the right side of your Smartsheet workspace. There you'll spot a unique icon. This is the proof icon. It kind of looks like a stamp or badge, and it's your gateway to getting things reviewed and approved. Whenever you need to attach something for feedback or sign off, this is where you go. Remember, you can add a proof to any row in your sheet, but keep in mind there's a limit. Only one proof can be attached per row, so if you need to have multiple files reviewed separately, you'll want to use separate rows. That's just a little tip that can help you stay organized and avoid confusion down the line. Now, once you've clicked into the proof area, you'll see the option to add an attachment. This could be any file you want someone to take a look at, for example, a marketing flyer, an image for a project, or even a document that needs edits. Ask yourself, what do I need eyes on before moving forward? Attaching your file is as easy as dragging and dropping it, and Smartsheet takes care of the rest. Let's say you've just uploaded an image. Now it's time to make use of some really helpful tools along the top of the proof interface. When you click on the image, you'll unlock options like colors, shapes, and even emojis. Think of these like digital highlighters or sticky notes. They let you visually mark up the file for clarity. For instance, you might circle an area that needs updating, use an arrow to draw attention, or drop a smiley emoji to give positive feedback. These tools help make sure your comments are crystal clear, especially when you're collaborating with teammates who might not be sitting next to you. Next up, inviting people into the conversation. Collaboration is at the heart of a good proofing process, and Smartsheet makes it easy to bring others in. If you need feedback from a designer, manager, or client, you can quickly send them an invite directly from the proof window. Just enter their email address, add a brief subject and a personal message explaining what you need from them, and hit send. Don't worry if you're inviting someone new to Smartsheet. They'll get an email with simple instructions on how to view the proof and leave their comments. And if you want to leave feedback yourself or start a conversation, you can comment directly on the proof as well. The great thing is, you're not limited to just plain text. You can even attach additional files or images to your comments. So if someone asks for a comparison or a revision, you can easily add that right into the conversation thread. This helps keep all the context and feedback in one tidy place, instead of scattering it across endless email chains. And that's really all it takes to get started with proofs in Smartsheet. They're a fantastic way to gather feedback, clarify changes, and keep your team moving forward without confusion. If things take a moment to load or you're waiting on replies, don't stress, just check back later and you'll see all the latest comments and approvals. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Smartsheet feature you'd like to see covered. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Happy proofing!